Bridge to Kingston we go. So it's always a trick to get downtown. And the roads are rough. And, you know, the sad part is my friend here has brought me several times, and we've been pulled over each time. The first time for supposedly speeding, which she was not, and they wanted to let her know they were going to write her a ticket, but she had options. They kept requesting and commenting they're going to write her a ticket, but she said she'd just go ahead and take her ticket because we're not buying beer for anybody. And last time we came around a right turn only, and we got pulled over for not using our indicator. And then we were told that they were thirsty. So, you know, we had to crumble up the appropriate water bottle and water their tongues. So Jamaica's full of surprises. And in the city, in Kingston, you need to be prepared for anything and everything. Because we've ended up in some rough neighborhoods. Ooh, look at those potholes. Believe it or not, this is just outside the main downtown. And I think we passed Trenchtown already. Woohoo! Gotta love it. We've been to the shipyard. We've been to... Where else have we been to? Big places. A whole lot of places. We're going to turn left onto Maxfield Avenue.